The Miele Classic C1 vacuum cleaner, changing the filter bag and filters. Hi, this is Rob. Okay, here I'm showing you the box that contains the 4 AirClean 3D Efficiency dust bags type GN. You get 4 filter bags and 2 filters. Look inside. Here's what I have left in my box of the filter bags, and then down below is the spare filter I had there. That's an example of the filter. Now let's look at the filters in their compartments. In front in the blue is the pre-motor filter, and then up on top and back is the exhaust filter. Change each filter with each new box of filter bags. There's a look at each filter with this compartment open, and then we'll back off on the next shot to show you how they're oriented with the filter bag in front, and then the blue filter, the pre-motor filter, and then the exhaust filter. Okay, let's change the filter bag. Open the front. Okay, you open the top shell of the vacuum. This bag is a little over full. Yours should be less full and easier to remove. I waited too long waiting to get time to do this video, and I really overfilled this bag. Pull out the tab that's part of the filter bag from the cleaner, and then you just lift it up and lift it out. You can clean out the compartment. And since the bag is out, let's look at that pre-motor filter there. Now we'll be installing the new filter bag. Couldn't be easier. The tabs go inside the holder there, snap into place just like that, and then you fold the bag into the compartment, and that's it. Okay, you might want to check it. Some people are like that. Now you are ready to resume vacuuming. So I hope you enjoyed this video on the Miele Classic vacuum cleaner about filters and changing the filter bag.